Welcome to the Next-Gen Auto Hub. In a world racing toward electrification, there are vehicles that follow the current, and then there are those that carve a new path entirely. The 2027 Babyland Rover Defender Sport EV is not just another addition to the Defender family, it's the rebirth of adventure for a new era. Compact, electric, and unmistakably rugged, it captures the legendary Defender spirit in a form that's more agile, more efficient, and more connected than ever before. Visual, a sunrise over rocky hills, the silhouette of the compact Defender Sport EV emerging through the mist. The design is bold yet refined, every line and surface a testament to Land Rover's DNA. The baby Defender Sport EV carries the same purposeful stance as its larger siblings, with short overhangs, squared edges, and a muscular profile that exudes confidence. The signature boxy silhouette, floating roof, and circular LED headlamps pay homage to the original Defender, while sleek aerodynamic elements signal its transition into the electric age. Built on Land Rover's next-generation modular electric architecture, the Defender Sport EV is engineered for versatility, equally at home navigating tight city streets or traversing muddy trails miles from civilization. This is not just an electric crossover, it's an off-road companion built for the new Explorer, one who demands both sustainability and strength. Underneath its sculpted frame lies a dual-motor all-wheel drive system capable of producing around 300 horsepower and instant torque that transforms every journey into pure motion. Acceleration is brisk, confidence-inspiring, and effortlessly smooth. The battery pack, nestled low in the chassis, ensures optimal balance and stability, a true off-roader's foundation. With an estimated range of up to 280 miles, the Defender Sport EV proves that power and endurance can coexist without compromise. Visual, the EV carving through forest trails, dust kicking up, switching seamlessly to sleek urban roads. Every Defender is born from a legacy of resilience, and this one carries that legacy forward, quietly, efficiently, and fearlessly. The terrain response system, reimagined for the electric era, adapts instantly to conditions, whether it's sand, snow, or city tarmac. Its capability you can feel, not through noise or vibration, but through precision and confidence. Step inside, and you enter a cabin that blends toughness with sophistication. The interior is designed for real life, durable yet luxurious, practical yet refined. Premium vegan leather upholstery, recycled materials, and exposed metal accents create a modern aesthetic grounded in authenticity. The panoramic glass roof floods the cabin with light, while subtle ambient lighting brings warmth and serenity to every night drive. The digital cockpit is anchored by Land Rover's Pivi Pro infotainment system, seamlessly integrated with a wide curved display and a customizable driver screen. Every function, from navigation to off-road data, is intuitive and intelligent. Connectivity comes standard, with over-the-air updates, AI-driven route optimization, and a surround view camera system that makes exploration easier than ever. Safety, as always, is paramount. Advanced driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, lane centering assist, and predictive terrain scanning ensure that whether you're driving through downtown or deep wilderness, you're always protected by technology that thinks ahead. Charging the Defender Sport EV is as effortless as driving it. With fast charging capability, it can recover up to 150 miles of range in just 20 minutes, turning pit stops into brief pauses for reflection. Whether plugged in at home or at a remote charging station, it's designed to keep your adventures uninterrupted. The 2027 Babyland Rover Defender Sport EV isn't just a smaller Defender, it's a symbol of evolution. It carries the same rugged soul, the same go-anywhere attitude, and the same British craftsmanship that made its predecessors legends. But it does so with a whisper instead of a roar, with clean power instead of exhaust. This is the Defender spirit reborn for a new generation, one that believes adventure should leave nothing but footprints, not emissions. The 2027 Babyland Rover Defender Sport EV, compact in size, limitless in ambition. The future of exploration has never been this bold, this silent, or this smart. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe for the next update.